guys, welcome to another board game unboxing. This is the Lord of the Rings, the card game from Fantasy Flight Games. Here's a look at the back of the box. If you want to read this, pause it now. Nice box art right here. Now let's open the box and see what's inside. Fantasy Flight catalog of games. You have the rulebook. You have some cardboard punch outs for tokens. Of course you have the cards because this is a card game. And let's take a look at some of the art. Okay, nice card art right here. I think it captures the feel of the Lord of the Rings. We have some connectors for the trackers. Of course, more cards. So you have different card backs here. There's the Eye of Sauron, and we also have the One Ring card back. Of course, a cardboard insert. Nothing else inside the box. Alright, so I have the cardboard tokens taken out of the cardboard punch outs. So we have two threat trackers. Of course, it's movable to change the number of the threat. Get two of those. You have the damage tokens, resource tokens, and progress tokens. You also get 12 hero cards. So, 3 different stats here: attack, defense. We also have 120 player cards. So we have event, allies, and attachments. So 120 of these. We also have 84 encounter cards. So this has the Eye of Sauron hardback and the quest cards. So we have 10 of these. So these are the different quests that you go through in the game. So it's back to back. So it has side A and side B. So there you have it. Those are all the components of this game: the cards, the tokens, the tracker. So thank you guys for watching this quick unboxing video, and I'll see you again next time.